Finally, he's getting a laptop.
22,222. Oh my god. Shubh ghadi.
I'll die out of thirst, but I won't ever put a water bottle in my bag.
Y'all are not ready for this travel with her.
आपको इसके टॉयज के लिए अलग घर लेना पड़ेगा.
So I'm going to quickly show you like what my summer essentials are going to be. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. Today is the 22nd of April. It's a Tuesday, and morning say the hustle has been all about edits and changes. It's the end of the month, so lots of deliverables have to go live and lots of things have to be done. Impulse me, my end on my Instagram and my YouTube right now, my daily vlogs are started. My Norway vlogs are over. My dreamy Norway vlogs are over. So I'm still like in so much backlog because March में जितना भी vlog किया था अभी April में जा रहा है. So I'm just catching up with my backlog at my end. I have all my branded deliverables जिनके changes बचे हैं तो वो सब कुछ complete करना है. आज मुझे 2 ब्रांड के शूट करने हैं और आज मैं पप्पा और रीत के साथ अपने YouTube के लिए कुछ शूट करने वाली हूँ. बट उससे पहले रीत and I are going to get his new laptop. So when Reet was traveling this time, Mr. Jakharia has dropped water on his laptop and ruined it. He had a very good laptop and गलती से मतलब उसको जानबूझ के नहीं. When he was traveling in the flight, तो पता नहीं कैसे उसको check-in luggage में allow भी किया. There's a reason they don't allow water in check-in luggage now I've realized. And he had a water bottle and he had the laptop in the same bag. And in just a 1-hour flight from Guwahati to Kolkata, his water spilled and his laptop got destroyed. So when he came back to Bombay this time, he did not have a laptop. पहले laptop को repair में दिया था and then नहीं हो पाया उसका रिपेयर बिकॉज वो पूरा आईसीज 7 आईसीज जल गए लैपटॉप के. तो वन प्रो टिप, व्हेनेवर योर लैपटॉप गेट्स वेट, नेवर कनेक्टेड टू चार्जिंग इमीडिएटली. रीत ने चार्जर से कनेक्ट किया और 4 आईसीज वैसे भी जले हुए थे और 4 जल गए. तो नेवर कनेक्टेड टू पावर. यू हैव टू फर्स्ट डीमॉइस्ट द लैपटॉप एंड देन कनेक्टेड टू पावर. सो दैट वाज वन लाइक रूकी मिस्टेक दैट ही डिडंट नो अबाउट इट एंड आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट नो. लाइक मेरे लैपटॉप पे कॉफी गिर चुकी है एक बार एंड द मिनट कॉफी गिरी थी पूरा आई जस्ट शट द डिवाइस एंड डिड नॉट टच it, did not charge it, nothing. Gave it to Apple Care the next day. उन लोग फिर कुछ 2000-3000 क्लीनिंग का लेते हैं. क्लीन किया और ठीक हो गया लैपटॉप. So you're very lucky if that happens. But if I would have connected to charging or tried to work on the laptop after the coffee spill, then there's a chance that moisture can further damage the device. Like मेरे iPad पे भी पानी गिरा था and वो पूरा damage हो गया था because I didn't take care and I like continued using it thinking कि कुछ नहीं हुआ. पूरा अंदर से जल गया iPad. Then I had to give it for repair. 10,000 का फटका लगा था मुझे. Like local repair shops में I had given it. Now after finally a lot of contemplation, a lot of research, everything, Reet is finally shifting from Windows to MacBook. Finally, in my office, all of us have a MacBook and it is just so convenient to airdrop anything to Reet because Reet is such an Android loyalist. उसको कभी हम लोगों ने कितना ब्रेन वॉशिंग किया ना Reet को, MacBook ले लो बिकॉज लाइक ऑल ऑफ अस, अमित, ताहा, मैं, सब लोग, शेरिन, हम लोग सब मिलके उसको ब्रेन वॉश किए कि MacBook ले लो. So now finally he's convinced he's taking a MacBook and he's taking a refurbished MacBook from Asif Bhai. So this is a contact that Taha gave us and he has this shop in City Center Mall and he's a very very good like reseller and he also has a repair shop but he has amazing reselling laptops because Taha ने हमेशा उनका laptop like his own laptop, he has a MacBook Pro, he's always bought it from Asif Bhai and at a very good cost in a very good condition with warranty. So Reet and Taha already went, did a like पूरा उन लोग देख के आए कि कौन सा लैपटॉप लेना है, कौन सा नहीं लेना है, कौन सा बजट में फिट हो रहा है वगैरह वगैरह सब कुछ वो लोग देख के आए. तो आज मैंने बोली कि चलो मैं भी चलती हूँ because Reet has never purchased a Mac product before. So I have purchased a lot of Mac products. So I just wanted to see what else is there. So far Reet is thinking about getting the MacBook M1 which he's getting at a very good price. But it is my only problem with that is that it's 256 GB and since his main work is editing, 256 GB is not going to be sufficient for him. So let's go and see what other options Asif Bhai has in his shop. His shop is in City Center Mall, Arctic Wood, and he's a very renowned reseller. I'm so glad that Taha gave this contact because कितनी बार मुझे भी ऑफिस के लिए लैपटॉप्स लेने पड़ते हैं for my staff and I always end up buying a new one which costs a lot of money. मुझे बहुत backdated खरीदना पड़ता है. Like my whole staff is using M1 chip from the 2020 के पहले वाला era, मतलब the पुराना वाला MacBook I buy from the store, M1 वाला, because that is under 1 lakh. So I always buy backdated but now that I know about this shop I will always buy the newest model under 1 like under like a budget that I have. In that budget I can get the latest model. So I'm glad that we know this. Let's go, let's look at all the features and everything for the laptop.
hours later.
It's Tuesday today और हम काम छोड़ के आए हैं सिटी मॉल. हम यहाँ पर आए हैं और रीत ऑलरेडी पहले आके पूरा जांच पड़ताल कर चुके हैं अपने लैपटॉप का. तो आज मैं आई हूँ क्योंकि आज फाइनल डील क्लोज करेंगे हम. तो दिस इज द M2.
This is M2. This
Okay.
is 15 inch with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD.
Why don't you try this because this is a newer
Big size,
one.
Yeah, big size also. No, but anything better.
Yeah, of course, this is on a better year.
Because M1 फिर बहुत पुराना हो जाएगा कुछ सालों बाद. M1 is
छोटा भी हो जाएगा. Size is also very small.
No, but
छोटा तो he
compact is
travels with it.
What I'm looking for.
M1 is what my staff is using right now. What's the warranty like on this?
6 months won't tell me.
And we can buy Apple Care.
No, this is auto warranty.
Okay.
But इसके अंदर almost each and every part is next to brand new only. The display was replaced by Apple officially. Even the body
Okay.
was replaced by Apple officially.
Okay.
तो ये मशीन तो like 3-4 साल कुछ नहीं होने वाला गारंटी.
अच्छा. और इसका क्या सीन है?
The warranty expired just 15 days back only.
Okay.
And it's hardly used. इसका cycle count is around I think I'll just check just a moment. So this is 15 inch M2 16 GB of RAM. This is 8 GB. This is 16 GB. And this has a 256 GB of storage and this has 512 GB of storage. And
This is 512.
512. And
256 is very less.
I know. So I'll have to
and
work on
cycle count is
external
only
data.
139 and the battery health is 99%. So this is hardly used.
Okay.
I mean, perfect condition. This is 16 GB of RAM. In that you get 8 GB to 56 also, but it's 16 512. So you are like sorted out for next coming 3-4 years. आराम से you can.
Premiere Pro की speed
आराम से
hang
पकड़ेगी, of course, आराम से
आराम से
पकड़ेगी.
चलेगा.
Reet has finally decided to go with this MacBook Air M2 chip, and we're getting all the protection for it because MacBook Air is slightly more sensitive than the MacBook Pro is, and he is definitely not made for sensitive things.
You're also sensitive.
I'm not sensitive. That's why
Please.
I am dealing with you.
Please.
I should also get this.
What do you have?
The case,
Yeah,
no?
you need to.
I need to get rid of my stickers first. I'm done with my stickers. I'll give it to Asif bhai. You get my repair and everything done.
So this is the
Beautiful.
partial case for
Wow.
top and bottom. Looks beautiful.
So good.
And we have also applied the screen protection. I'll just remove this. See.
Oof.
So now display is protected. So keyboard imprints will now come on the screen guard, not on the actual display. So we can keep changing every year or every 6 months whenever you like. How is it looking?
Amazing.
Nice.
Beautiful. मुझे भी देना पड़ेगा मेरा लैपटॉप ये सब टच अप्स करने. Very nice. Get a sleeve also, no? Do you have a zip वाला sleeve?
Sleeve ऊपर है ना अपने पास. इसमें कोई अच्छा निकालना कोई अच्छा.
स्लीव अगर है नहीं इधर तो Amazon पे मिल जाएगा ना. अच्छा.
एक रहेगा
हाँ, वही अगर आप
चेक कर लो है तो
ऊपर एक olive के
all the protection possible starting में ले लो तुम.
जैसे अपन ने इसके लिए लिया था
Yeah.
सब लगा हुआ.
उसी दिन जिस दिन लिया था फोन.
Abhi you'll have to sit and give me tutorials for MacBook.
I'll give you
Because
the
all my life I've been using Windows.
Windows.
check our channel Arctic Wood
Yeah,
Technologies.
yeah.
You can get all the tips and tricks from
हाँ
our channel.
वही actually. हाँ.
Oh,
Tutorials and everything are there only.
amazing. It's 222. What does this mean?
हाँ April 2022.
22222. Oh my god. शुभ घड़ी पे आप ले रहे हो. Ooh, you have Touch ID.
You don't have?
I have, of course.
Wait, I was asking the way you said it like that. हमारे पास
No,
तो-
nowadays Apple takes away certain features, puts in. मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि कौन से में क्या मिलता है. Choose the dark, choose auto. तो डे टाइम में लाइट और फिर ये Jakharia's first Mac.
A little later.
Congrats on your MacBook. What is this upgrade?
Yes, big time upgrade.
Amazing.
This is M215.
So happy for you. Now new edits, amazing edits.
Yeah, for the roaming check sack.
Always 100K
इंशाल्लाह ये साल होना ही है.
जून तक.
हाँ देखो ऐसे ही टारगेट्स देंगे ना तो तुम्हारे सर पे बैठेंगे हम तो.
You were 231. I'm hoping कि by
Inshallah. It's a really nice color. I loved it. I loved it the minute I saw it. He was planning to get the M1, which is what you have.
but this is air only.
M2.
Okay.
This is M2. This one he had, so it has 99% battery life. So battery is good and it has 512 GB. Since Reet has to edit, so I was like, nah, don't take 256 GB.
Too good. Very nice. Like the color also.
Color's beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah.
And he put all these accessories also.
Yeah, which is good only.
Yeah, for Jakharia, so you need only. देखा है उसको.
No water in the bag.
No, never. I'll die out of thirst, but I won't ever put a water bottle in my bag ever again.
That's what I told him. I was like, तुम प्यासे रहो चलेगा मेरे को. Fudgy. Really nice device, na? Very good value for money we got. And 15 inch. Yeah.
Everything already also.
Yeah, he gave.
He gave, yeah.
Oh, sorted. Amazing.
This also. I didn't know refurbished laptops were so good because now we have this contact. No, now we can.
Because his deals and everything are top-notch quality stuff he gets, and he knows his stuff. So everything that's there, he shows it in real time. कि देखो ऐसा
Yeah.
ऐसा है, ये
क्या अच्छा है? Like he doesn't sugarcoat. क्या अच्छा है? क्या बुरा है? Everything he shows. And then तुमको क्या मिलेगा क्या नहीं मिलेगा. He had even M4 most also he had. But in all the deals I kept storage in priority because
Now your
Reed.
edits will be 10
Sorted.
times better.
Yeah.
Faster also actually, na?
Now finally we can airdrop stuff to him.
No, but
Yeah, airdrop की दुनिया आपको मिल गई.
no, but I'll have to again get used to this ecosystem because I'm very used to Windows, and I have to get used to this touchpad.
Then I didn't know na starting with, but then you get hands on it very quickly.
Yeah, once you learn the MacBook, there's no going back. Quickly got ready for a shoot and look how good my makeup is looking and it's a fast makeup. Yeah, first I used a different foundation combo. I used the Colourpop foundation and the Laura Mercier foundation, but वो मेरे लिए बहुत dark हो गए and they were not matching my face or my neck and I was looking like an orange Oompa Loompa. So I had to change and I used my typical NARS foundation, Kosas concealer. I've just put the Pack Xara Fudge Me Not blush and this lipstick is Faye Beauty's new modern matte lipstick in the shade Buzz. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. ये lipstick इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. I love the color. I love how it looks. I love my makeup. सिर्फ मेरे brows बचे हैं. brow के लिए कुछ दे दो please. And फटाफट से earring पहन के I have to do one video. Then I have to sit with Papa to do another video. Papa and Reet, we are doing Who Knows Me Better, which I think either of them don't know me at all. So let's see who wins that challenge. वो आपको YouTube video अलग से देखना पड़ेगा. वो अलग से आएगा. I'm wearing this dress after so long. I wore it in Bali. Give me like a gel only, na? Where's my phone to shoot? नॉर्वे के व्लॉग्स इतने ज़्यादा अच्छे थे ना गाइस, मज़ा ही आ गया, बहुत अच्छे थे. Because I'm wearing a sleeveless dress, I'm using the Wishcare sunscreen body lotion. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen and बहुत जल्दी स्किन में absorb हो जाता है. Look at that and look at the glow and shine it gives. मैं sun के सामने ही बैठ के shoot करूँगी तो I need it. Hydrate भी कर देता है skin को and sun protection भी देता है. I'm gonna wax my arms after ages. I have not used a waxing strip in like forever. ये दोनों strip use कर सकते हैं? आज ही मैं रीत को वो दे रही थी for dropping his devices. Look at me.
A few inches later.
We'll see who knows Sarah better.
Though both of them are not going to know. क्या बोल रहा है तू?
माइक को अंदर पहनो ना तो हिलेगा नहीं, वो हिल रहा है.
But उस पे ये कपड़ा नहीं हिलेगा. Okay.
Hello, hi.
What's my favorite
What's
color?
Huh?
What's my favorite color?
Lilac.
What's my favorite color?
Lavender.
दोनों गलत. देखिए मैं ये लोग हारने वाले हैं क्लियरली.
बोल
नहीं ये खाली माइक टेस्टिंग था बट दोनों वैसे भी हार गए.
One eternity later.
Shoot complete करके I went for a nice swim नीचे. I didn't go to the gym today because my trainer was not available in the evening and it's also my second day of period, so did not feel that that I'm a strong girl who can lift heavy weights. I was like, okay fine, I'm going to take it easy and I'm going to go for a swim. Felt so good, like feels so relaxing. I was so drained after the shoot and everything और आज vlog भी नहीं डाल पाई मैं, so I'm feeling very guilty. But yeah, after the swim I feel great and then I took a nice hot water shower. I'm also going to keep my hair in its natural form for the next 2-3 days because I don't have like any major shoot or event. I did have the Huda Beauty event आज जो मुझे attend करना था, but I skipped on it only because I had to shoot videos. I will be traveling again very soon, and before I leave for my travel I want to get done with my shoots and everything. Don't want any pent up work, so that's the reason why I'm like segregating properly and prioritizing properly. So अभी events में I really prioritize क्योंकि बहुत time चला जाता है guys. Like मुंबई की traffic is super, like हम पता है बहुत किट करते हैं मुंबई की traffic को लेके, but it is a very big thrust to go anywhere and to come back and it takes up the whole day. Tomorrow also I have like meetings जिसमें मुझे जाके लोगों से मिलना है. Those are important meetings, I can't skip on them, so I need to prioritize के what is important, going and meeting people for these meetings or going to events or shooting videos or editing videos, or what is important. So right now I'm in that category where I'm just categorizing everything because I cannot work after a certain point in the day. I've reached that, like I was just talking to Reeth about this, I've reached that age limit that I cannot anymore work non-stop. Like there was a time I would work till 11:30 in the night and chal jata tha mujhe, and I would sleep and get up next day and again be hustling, but can't do that anymore. Just cannot. Okay, अब मेरी उम्र हो गई है, अब मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. अब after like 6 o'clock I'm like, ooh, I need to do my hair care, skin care, workout. अपने लिए time, need to like sleep. I didn't sleep अच्छे से इस weekend, so I really need to catch up on my sleep and everything. So अभी नहा धो के I'm going to go off to bed after eating my dinner. Skin is a little dry of course because I went for a swim and the chlorine water is a little harsh on your skin, and I've been regular with my swimming. It really feels good, like my core gets very nicely involved when I'm swimming, so I feel very good in my core, and मेरी breathing भी अच्छी हो जाती है. मेरा endurance actually एकदम बेकार है. I have the worst stamina in the world. I can work out but I get tired very quickly, so like swimming has been helping me with that. So अभी मेरा शाम का एक workout तो fixed है. Either I go for a swim or I go for a run or I go do my workout, and of course with the sweat, heat and everything, humidity, skin gets very dry and dull. So रात को I've been applying the Wishcare AHA BHA body lotion and it has a very nice gel like texture. You can see it's a gel that turns into a cream and it's super hydrating, very easy to absorb into the skin. बहुत अच्छे से absorb हो जाता है and you don't feel that चिपचिपा heavy feeling को सोते समय. Who wants that? I'm somebody who wants the most minimalistic body care routine because with body I'm very lazy. I have a big body to cover, so I'm very lazy. Look at that, just an easy to absorb beautiful body lotion. This has 10% AHA, it has 1% salicylic acid and it has niacinamide. So the AHAs really help to exfoliate the dead skin cells and smoothen out. Like skin feels so soft and smooth after this. Niacinamide also helps to brighten the skin. So if there's any chlorine damage due to swimming to my skin, then that's also taken care of. So it's a very nice hydrating and one-stop body lotion for the night time. Really love using this in the night, and I use my sunscreen body lotion in the daytime. This I've religiously been using for a very long time because the texture is so great for the daytime. Lightweight, easy to absorb, and there's SPF, so body is hydrated as well as protected. इधर मैंने moisturizer नहीं लगाया. Look at my elbows, look at my skin, how dry it is, and look at this side, how shiny it is, how my elbows are nicely hydrated. So there's a clear before after difference that you can see. With just applying a little bit of this body lotion, your skin's going to be super hydrated and feeling very soft and smooth. And the best thing is कि ऐसी ही लगेगी सुबह उठने के बाद भी. So it's not something that just goes away in the night time. The moisturization stays on your skin for a nice long amount of time. Gonna link both my sunscreen body lotion and my AHA BHA body lotion from Wishcare in the description box for you. I'm also gonna leave it in the product tags so you can check it out. Definitely recommend if you're looking for good body lotions to switch up your body care, especially in the summers. You're gonna love the texture and the after effects of what these do to your skin.
The next morning.
Guys, it's been a day of only meeting with people in real time and digitally. I have booked flights today for the next travel with Sar. Sharon's face is like,
You're not ready. This is the vlog that's going after or before.
I don't know when this vlog is going. I think next week only.
So
Now
you're
we are
not-
catching up with our backlog. Na?
Okay, we are not ready. That means
Yeah. We are not ready.
no, they are not ready with.
Y'all are not ready for this travel with her. I'm so excited. Anyways, I'm having my second cup of coffee, Dalgona. I was craving a good Dalgona coffee. It's Vicharo vanilla from Impulse Coffees.
The next day.
Today is the 24th of April. It is Ishan's birthday. तो ईशु की बर्थडे पार्टी है. 4 years का हो गया ईशु, 4 साल का. Let's go for his birthday party. मम्मी ने ऊपर ही रखी है घर पे. Let's go. Faji, whose birthday? Whose birthday today? Not Faja's birthday. Faja is a Leo. His birthday is in August. His bum is going tung 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 tung. Hey, who's the birthday boy? Who is this birthday boy? Who's the birthday boy? Who's the birthday boy? Yay! A birthday boy! Hello, 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 hello. What is this chocolate cake already? So much chocolate cake? So much of chocolate?
Give me a big hug. Give me a big hug, you birthday boy. 4 years, you. Oh, 4 years. So big you are. So big you are.
So big you became.
Yes. चलो go now.
Hyperventilate क्यों कर रहा है ये?
केविन क्या इन्फॉर्म करने वाले थे ना
Nana is also there. Yes.
कितनी मस्त. See, Ishu, Nanu made you cake. What does it say?
There's so much stuff.
What does it say?
4.
अरे वाह, so
Number
smart.
4. And it's with the fruit what I like.
गया चाकू लेने.
अरे अभी से नहीं रुक. Larissa is coming.
Your friend Larissa.
Larissa is coming. You don't want to wait for her? Okay, then let's wait.
Yeah, they reach JVLR.
Oh, बापरे.
चलो open.
Ishan, the gift is bigger than you.
You don't want? Okay, I'm going inside.
Why do you have a grate?
Why do you need
Oh, grate the gift.
What are these ideas? You don't want? Okay,
चलो,
I'll keep it for Ivara.
No.
I'll give it to Ivara. Come. Do you want to open it? That's a cake.
Juice one.
खाली thumbs up एक इंच.
ठीक है, okay. And for you, a cranberry juice, right? Yeah.
Right.
Right. Okay, let's
See, Ishan is opening his gift.
I found the same thing.
Oh, बापरे. Yay! What you got?
Oh my God.
Football, Ishita!
Football.
That day he was crying for football in that shop.
Oh my God.
What is this, Ishan? You wanted this?
Yes.
So long, no, like Masi. From when you wanted, no issue.
What are you doing, Ishan?
Opening this gift.
Who gave you this gift?
You.
Hey, this is not, it's not a gift, it's a cake.
पापा आपके घर पे आने वाला है.
आपको इसके टॉयज के लिए अलग घर लेना पड़ेगा. गया तुम्हारा केक ही गया. तुमको बोल ही दिया अंदर रखो. बोल रही हूँ अंदर रखो.
चलो. You open the gift. No. You open the gift. No.
Daddy, the gift.
Wait. Come.
What is it?
Say thank you, Nana Nanu.
Thank you.
Nana Nanu. Say.
You didn't give.
Thank you, Nana
तुमने
Nanu.
लाके नहीं दिए तो तुम्हारा गिफ्ट नहीं हुआ वो.
Hey, पैसा मेरा ही है.
जो लाके देता है उसका गिफ्ट होता है.
Kenchi lao.
कैंची.
Okay, wait.
कैंची.
You open that no first.
This is from
Who gave you this?
I don't know.
Masi.
No. I didn't give.
Take Ishan, open this.
Wait, he's opening the other gift.
Open from here. See, scissor, cut this.
Careful, bacha. Careful.
That is his birth siddha का scissor.
Oh, unboxing सब वही करेगा. What is that?
What is this? New blankie. Then
Bathrobe.
See, yellow.
yellow color.
Yellow, dirty
Oh, it's a
fellow.
Pikachu. It's a Pikachu.
The bathroom.
It's Pikachu.
The bathroom.
See, it has
Come, stand
Pokemon
up.
in it.
Stand up. I'll put for you.
Put.
See it as Pokemon, Isha.
Put
Put on the head.
I can put it when I'm having a bath.
Yeah.
try
Why
it.
put it now?
Are you looking
Try,
at-
try.
When you're having a bath,
This is also your gift only. We want to open this.
Hey, this is
Yes, open it. Chalo, open.
Ishan put a hammer in the cake.
cut the cake.
Nanu's coming.
मम्मी जाने दो.
Let me candle नहीं है तो. अरे हैमर को फूट मारो ऐसा.
Pretend foo. Do pretend foo.
Ishan will smash the cake or cut the cake.
Real candle ही
No
वो.
real candle is there now. What to do?
Just give it.
केक के ऊपर
मम्मी यार कितनी बड़ी कैंडल. बराबर है.
ये थोड़ा 90s में जा रहा है.
Turn the light.
Put up the light.
Okay, you
Put off the lights.
चलो.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you.
Cut the cake, cut the cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
See that also giving cake. Take. So big piece you gave. We don't have to piece. All his quota you only finished. Take.
1 hour later.
We are going to Kolkata tomorrow, so we gotta pack.
Yes, we have to pack.
It is 1 o'clock in the night.
Yes, which is our normal time.
To pack?
No, to sleep.
Yeah, so go to sleep. But we gotta pack.
मैं सो गया तो तुम्हारा पैक कौन करेगा? शेरिन नहीं आने वाली अभी.
Sharon already करके गई है. She's
Oh.
so efficient. Okay, but I have to do ऊपर का checking and packing the things. She might have.
Are you so efficient?
You tell me. Okay, guys, we are going to Kolkata. Reeds is only a layover. He's going back to where he came
अपने
from. अपने गाँव जहाँ से वो आए हैं वो वहाँ वापस जा रहे हैं. मैं जा रही हूँ कोलकाता to meet my Sara squad, but also actually to do some secret work for the secret project. So मेरे dual intentions है behind going to कोलकाता. जो next आपको मैं travel with Sara tease कर रही हूँ उसमें भी बहुत सारा मतलब that is not कोलकाता. कोलकाता is a travel with Sara, but it is more of a vacation. It's not really a vacation. It is a full on vacation. मेरा एकदम packed itinerary है काम से. तो मैं आपको next vlog में लेके जाऊंगी. अभी हम झटपट सी packing कर देते. Sharon has put all the work related essential items in my suitcase already. I'm thinking I'll take only one cabin suitcase, but let me see if my cabin is going to become too heavy. They might not even allow it in cabin. So अगर वैसा situation है then I will do like a check-in luggage too. I'm flying tomorrow morning 25th April and then I'll be back on 27th April. So Reed has taken the connecting flight from Kolkata to Assam. So he'll directly be at the airport and then bounce to Assam. So that's our plan of action for tomorrow morning. जल्दी निकलना है 10:30 बजे निकलना है. तो अभी packing कर लेती हूँ फिर सुबह उठ के I'll wash my hair and blow dry it and everything. I just left it in its natural form this week only, like this hair wash day. Since it's a work trip, I'm carrying quite a lot of makeup. I can't just do it like minimal makeup and everybody's been telling me that Kolkata में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. So I'm going to quickly show you like what my summer essentials are going to be. The Easy Blur Primer from Huda Beauty, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is a very matte, very long wearing foundation. I usually always travel with the Dior foundation when I have like good events. But Dior ka foundation thoda dewy hai and I think I want a matte foundation. So I'm going to skip on the Dior one, this one. And even the Dior concealer, I'm going to skip on it. I'm going to do the Fenty Beauty concealer. Even better, this one from Fenty Beauty. So that's going to be my base, the Too Faced and this. Then I'm going to do Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk blush. And I'm also going to do one Rare Beauty blush. Just in case I feel like a dewy blush. Mostly to nahi lagega. Doing the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Wand. That's the wand I'm going to carry for contouring. I'm going to remove all the extra. Lipsticks me you can never have enough. So I have my Tom Ford. I have my Love Child by Miss Saba. And all my favorite. This Tom Ford one is a nude, Love Child by Miss Saba is a brown. Then I've got the Indewiled Dewy Lip Treatment for my lip balm. My base products, primer, can never have enough, blush. I've got the Color Bar Kajal in case I want to do a Kajal. I never do a Kajal, but just in case. Then this is the Milk Makeup Jelly Tint. In Norway vlogs, आप लोग पूछे थे कौन सा blush लगाया. Norway में I was only putting the Milk Makeup Jelly Tint in the shade Burst. Very natural for like a flush of color. This is really nice. But over makeup, I don't prefer it. When I'm just going bare skin, I like the Milk Makeup blush. Over makeup, I think it's a little patchy. The K-Beauty के new blushes, the jelly ones, are a dupe of the Milk ones. They are very juicy, balmy and pigmented. I also have the Patrick Ta blush over here. This is She's Flush. I love this blush, but I'm actually going to skip on it for Kolkata just because I have quite a lot of blush options and that should be more than enough. Even the NARS blush, taking it out. Lip options, you can see how many lipsticks I carry because I'm very indecisive like that. And you can never have enough when it comes to lipsticks. But liquid highlighter वगैरह निकाल रही हूँ मैं सब कुछ. I think my MAC Studio Fix is expired. I'm so sad about it. I need to refresh and buy another one. So I'm going to take it out and buy another one in the future. Even my Charlotte Tilbury का जो compact powder था वो टूट गया. तो अभी दोनों मेरे compact powders है ही नहीं. I have this mini Huda Beauty banana powder. You all know I love her banana powder. It's my favorite. So I have a mini Easy Bake and I have a full size Easy Bake. I'm a Easy Bake loyalist. I had the Easy Bake event to attend like 2 days back and I had to skip it. It was a setting spray event and I was so sad that I skipped it. So many people went for it and it was such a beautiful event, but I just had to prioritize some other work और उसकी वजह से मैं नहीं जा पाई. But I'm gonna buy it myself. I'll buy the Easy Bake setting spray very soon, and I know it's gonna be amazing. I just trust Huda Beauty's products so much. Not sponsored, never has been. I don't think she does paid partnerships in India, at least. I don't know. I have never worked with Huda Beauty. I have the lash glue, but I'm not doing false lashes, so I'm gonna take it out. So many blushes are in this bag. Oh my god. I don't need so many blushes. I have this lip gloss that I absolutely love. This is the Tint Cosmetics lip gloss in Minx. It's such a good, pretty, everyday lip gloss. So this and the shade Dark Coconut in the Roman tint. This I'm going to put in my tote bag. This can be my go-to lip color when I'm on the flight. And the e.l.f. lip stain also I'm going to put in my tote bag, which can be like a nice lip stain. So some options in my... I've got some red lipsticks. I've got some nudes. And berry blush. I need to add more lipsticks for sure. Lipsticks or lagegi. Okay, one more lip balm just for luck. This is Nykaa Cinnamon Swirl, which you all know I love. So that I'm putting in there. Let me see what else is missing. Setting spray. I need setting spray. MAC Fix Plus for the setting spray and Fenty Beauty got this blotting powder, which is great in case I'm like sweaty. So I'm gonna put this in the backpack, in the tote bag. Some more lipsticks. Lip is done, cheek is done. For perfume, I'm carrying these two from Plum Body Loving. This is the Vanilla Caramello and Moonkiss Drama Ka Minis. And then I've got the Kayali Vanilla Candy Ka also mini. So these are the minis I'm carrying. I'm going to use this like as a body touch-up. And then these can be my clothes pe jo jayenge wo wale perfumes. So 3 options for perfumes. They're all minis. So they're fabulous to travel with. Oh, I've got my Fenty Beauty compact, which is definitely not expired. So this is one I can carry for touch-ups. Powder to lagega for sure. Now I'm gonna put makeup brushes. This is all for makeup. Eyeliner and mascara. Oh my god, yes. Eyeliner, mascara. Eyeliner should be in this bag only. Eyebrow pencil and eyeliner, yes. NYX Fibro, NYX eyeliner, Clinique and Benefit mascaras, and I'm done. Eyeshadow palette. Carrying this one from YSL and this Soft Glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills. These will be my eyeshadow options. Just in case I feel like doing an eye look. Mostly, not really. I have like 2 meetings and 1 meet and greet. And 1 more meeting with the brand team that I'm doing the meet and greet with. So 3 meetings, 1 meet and greet in just 2 days. There's a lot of work to do. So I gotta sleep too. I don't know why I'm so chit-chatty while packing. And that too at 1 o'clock in the night. But that's everything for makeup. This is literally all the makeup I carry when I have a work trip. This is the makeup I carry even when I have a glam trip for sure. Like itne sare options hoge zarur, and there would be like false lashes also. But this is what I'm carrying to Kolkata because it's a work trip. When I went to Norway, I literally put all my makeup in just this one Pack Xara wala pouch with brushes. I did not carry this big pouch. I didn't carry options. I just carried the chotu of everything, one option of everything, and I didn't even do like kajal, eyeliner, nothing. Just the bare minimum is what I carried to Norway, and I loved it. So I love a good balance. I love being a glam girl, and then I love being a simple, like a minimalist person also. So I can be both. It depends on my mood.
quickly gonna wrap up the rest of my packing and I'll see you.
सब कुछ cabin bag में आराम से fit आ गया, so no tension at all. Those are all the clothes. I have one night suit, 2 outfits packed. This is the bag I'm carrying and these are the footwear I'm carrying. So this will go with my meet and greet outfit. I'm keeping it very casual and chill and comfortable. Then I've got my one light to shoot some videos. I'm carrying this light. I have skincare in this pouch, jewelry in this pouch, and my, what is this supposed to be, a black pant, a spare black pant, a bra, and I have more lingerie over here, makeup that we all packed, my supplements are over here in this dibby, and that's about it. I'm not carrying any medicines and all, no pharmacy, because you know it's a city. Kolkata is a city. अगर मुझे कुछ हुआ तो I can just go to the pharmacy, and I'm staying with Amit, so मेरे लिए कुछ भी ला सकता है 2 दिन में, अल्लाह ना करे मुझे कुछ भी हो, but in case कुछ हुआ तो I'm staying in a house, so I'm gonna be fine. This is what I'm wearing tomorrow and leaving from here, because from the airport directly I have to go to the meet and greet, so I have everything I need in the morning to get ready. My Dyson and all is out. तैयार होके निकलूंगी तो Dyson पैक करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, but just in case I'll carry it also, so I'll throw this in the bag in the morning and then I'll zip up the bag. So that's everything set.
इसी के साथ ईशान 4 साल का हो गया. Time is going so fast and I'm about to take my 3rd trip to Kolkata. It's honestly feels like time is just running. Like the secret project also, I feel like I just got the news about this yesterday and it's already so close. We're less than 2 weeks away, and by the time you're watching this vlog, we'll be less than a week away from things. So things are about to get super duper exciting, nervous, nerve-wracking, everything. Follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates, because that's going to be coming there. But I'm so glad to take you all on this journey with me. Everything will come in vlogs. I know कि मार्च के vlogs आपको अप्रैल में देखने मिले, शायद अप्रैल के आप मई में देख रहे हो, but it is what it is. Life is moving so fast that sometimes even I cannot catch up with my own life. But I'm trying to vlog everything and post as much as possible so that you all are also up to date and you all get these wholesome vlogs to watch जो आप लोग को हमेशा से मेरे चैनल पे पसंद आए हैं. ये vlog थोड़ा सा छोटा हो गया because कल हम कोलकाता निकल रहे तो नया vlog start करूंगी. But I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless. If you did, hit up big thumbs up. For today's video, Saswa shout goes to Deepa Dash. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next year's Saswa shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and transfer my next video Sarah Squad shout out. I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you.